Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're taking a look at the Yamaha YZ125, one of the most iconic two-stroke motocross bikes ever built. Known for its lightweight design, sharp handling, and thrilling performance, the YZ125 remains a favorite among riders worldwide. Engine and performance. The Yamaha YZ125 is powered by a 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder two-stroke engine. It delivers quick throttle response and strong mid-to-high RPM power, making it perfect for motocross tracks and off-road racing. Its lightweight nature allows riders to accelerate rapidly and maintain excellent control. Design and handling. The YZ125 features aggressive motocross styling with a slim body, comfortable ergonomics, and a durable aluminum frame. The bike's lightweight construction helps riders maneuver through corners, jumps, and rough terrain with confidence and precision. Suspension and braking. Equipped with advanced KYB suspension, the YZ125 offers excellent shock absorption and stability on challenging tracks. Powerful front and rear disc brakes provide reliable stopping performance, giving riders greater control during intense riding conditions. Why riders love it? Riders appreciate the Yamaha YZ125 for its simple maintenance, responsive handling, and exciting two-stroke character. It is an excellent choice for both aspiring racers and experienced motocross enthusiasts looking for a fun and competitive machine. Conclusion. The Yamaha YZ125 continues to prove why it is a legendary motocross bike. With its lightweight chassis, powerful two-stroke engine, and race-ready performance, it remains one of the best choices in the 125 cubic centimeters motocross category. Thanks for watching King Bike. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more motorcycle reviews and updates.